Flood stage is 18.0 feet. This is NOAA weather radio station KEC 61 from Mobile, Alabama. We broadcast on a frequency of 1. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Mobile County in southwestern Alabama until 1:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:51 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles southwest of Kodam, or 10 miles southwest of Bayou La Battery, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Kodam around 1 a.m. Central Standard Time. Bayou La Battery around 1:05 a.m. Central Standard Time. Tillman's Corner and Theodore around 1:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. I-10 and I-65 around 1:20 a.m. Central Standard Time. Midtown Mobile around 1:25 a.m. Central Standard Time. Downtown Mobile, Pritchard and I-65 and I-165 around 1:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Mobile, Alabama.